Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Maths with Bukar. Today we are going to learn the method known as elimination method for solving the simultaneous linear equations. We have simultaneous equations given as x minus y equals to 3 and 4x plus y equals to 17. I'm going to name this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. As we can see this thing that method's name suggests that we are going to eliminate something from it. So first of all, we are going to identify a variable that needs to be eliminated. In this case, we can clearly see this thing that the coefficients of y are 1 and 1 from this. So we can directly eliminate them. Now I need to identify a method, for example, whether I'm going to do addition of the equations or subtraction of the equations. So for that reason, I can see this thing that if I'm going to add the two equations, the variable phi would be eliminated. So I'm going to do the addition of the two equations, adding equation number 1 and equation number 2. So that would be x minus y plus 4x plus y equals to 3 plus 17. As I'm doing addition on the left side, I'm doing addition on the right side as well. So 17 plus 3 makes it 20, and while expanding these brackets, we will get x minus y plus 4x plus y, and variable y is now eliminated. In the next step, we can add the two values, the two like terms for x, and that makes it 5x equals to 20. In order to find out the value of x, we are going to divide 5 on both sides, which gives us the value of x as 4. Now I have got one value, and now I can put it back in any of the equations, equation number 1 or equation number 2, to get the value of the second variable. So putting it in equation number 1, putting x equals to 4 in equation number 1, we will get 4 minus y equals to 3. 4 should be subtracted on both sides, so we will get negative y as equals to negative 1, and by multiplying negative 1 on both of the sides, we will get the value of y as 1. So the solution set of this equations can be the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 1, which gives us the solution set of the two simultaneous equations. Another example in the same way is given to us as 2x plus 3y equals to 1, and second equation given to us is 4x minus 2y equals to 26. This is our first equation and this is our second equation. Now we can clearly see this thing that the coefficients of x as well as the coefficients of y are different. So elimination method directly is not applicable over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to make the coefficients of any variable as the same. For example, I want to eliminate x from this, so I'm going to find out the LCM of 2 and 4, and that is 2. So what we are going to do over here is I'm going to multiply the first equation with a specific number to make it 4. Multiply equation number 1 by 2. Now, as we are going to multiply it, so we will get 2 times 2 as 4x and 2 times 3 as 6y. And the second equation has the same coefficient as 4. So now we are going to do subtraction of the equations and subtract equation 2. In that case, I will get minus 4x negative 2y, and 2 should also be multiplied by 1 here, and negative subtraction of the second equation's number as 26. Now expanding these values, we will get 4x plus 6y minus 4x, and this negative sign should also be multiplied with the second number, which gives us positive 2y. And on the other side we are going to do subtraction, and the answer would be negative 24. So we can clearly see this thing that the opposite values were 4x and negative 4x, which can be simplified, and like two terms can be added, which gives us 8y equals to negative 24, and upon division we will get the value of y as negative 3. Now I'm going to put this value of y in any of the equations. For example, putting this y equals to minus 3 in equation number 1. So we will get 2x plus 3 times negative 3 equals to 1, which upon simplification gives us negative 9 equals to 1. And using the simplification method, we will get 2x equals to 10, and the final answer for x would be 5. So we have got the value of x as 5 and y as negative 3. So the solution set is gonna be 5 and minus 3. This is how we are supposed to solve any pair of simultaneous equations using the elimination method. I hope you have enjoyed our video. Thank you for watching us. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.